I welcome you back again to another video lecture on Python programming project, and in this video lecture I'll go ahead and teach you how to check for the size of a triangle. So in this project we'll be checking if the size of a triangle exists, or if a triangle exists based on the sides. So what it means is that you're going to put different sides and then we'll check if that triangle exists or not. Let's go ahead and kick off immediately by requiring the user to impute the size of the triangle. Let's go ahead and say print, and then we'll go ahead and ask the user to insert length of proposed triangle. Now we'll go ahead and start. Let's say x is equal to float input, and let's go ahead and say that x is equal to, then the user imputes that, then we'll go ahead and check for y and let y be equal to float, and input, let's say y is equal to, and then z is equal to float input, and let z be equal to. Alright, so the next thing we need to do is let's go ahead and use an if statement to check if x plus y is greater than z. Let's go ahead and bring this together so that we can have enough space. X plus y is greater than z, and x plus z is greater than y, and y plus c plus z is greater than x. Alright, so let's go ahead and print out. So if that condition is met, then that is if x plus y greater than z, and x plus z greater than y, and y plus z greater than x exist, that means that the triangle exists. So let's go ahead and print out and say print the triangle of XYZ exists. So the triangle of XYZ exists. So else go ahead and print out and say the triangle does not exist. Alright, so let's go ahead. If this condition is met and everything being equal, and then that means that the triangle exists, and if this does not meet up, that means the triangle does not exist. Let's go ahead and run this code and let's check it out. So insert length of a proposed triangle, you can see that down here, and x, let's say that x is 15, and let's say y is 15, and let's say z is 15, and the triangle of XYZ exists. Now let's go ahead and run this code again, and let x be 90, and let y be 45, and let z be 67, and the triangle of XYZ exists. So in this way you can be able to use to check if triangle really exists or not. Okay, so you can go ahead and try out that one more time. Okay, let's say x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, and z is equal to 0. That means the triangle does not exist, because that is not how this triangle can ever exist. Okay, there must be sides for that triangle to either exist or not. Alright, so go ahead and put this down in your system, play around with it and check it out, and in case you have any question, please go ahead and use the question and the answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.